All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Beer of the Week, hosted by Rolling Hops Beer Tours, myself, Andy, along with my partner,
Garrett.
We have a very special Mother's Day edition.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Garrett, what are we drinking?
This is the plum cherry edition of the Jelly...
Run.
Here we go.
This is the plum cherry edition of the Jelly King from Bellwoods Brewery in Toronto. So this one going out to all the mamas out there. I'm going to try a little bit of this today. Oh, do you want some, Andy?
I would. Look at that beautiful color, Garrett.
It's lovely.
Nice and pink.
So if you've ever had a Jelly King, or if you haven't, you should probably try one. True to the sour IPA style.
Bellwoods Brewery, definitely an icon for the craft beer scene in Toronto. One of the most prominent craft breweries, definitely has a lot of brand recognition. Why, Garrett, is Bellwoods so synonymous with sour beer?
That's a good question. Well, they've done it very, very well for a very long time. Like I said, the quintessential king of sour beer is the Jelly King. It's been around for quite some time, and they do many different renditions of it with, keeping sort of the same ale base, but with a number of different fruit additions. It's not necessarily just the Jelly King that makes them famous. They have a number of other different great sour beers that are available, and also maybe something that's not necessarily sour. They do varieties really across the board. I definitely recommend them as a good sour beer for someone looking for something in that category, especially in Toronto, but all around, some really good beer overall.
Yeah, it's spectacular. If you're a sour beer fan, this is definitely a must. If you're in Toronto, if you're passing by, definitely have to check out Bellwoods. Garrett, what's a way that we can celebrate Mother's Day through beer? What do you think?
I don't know, give your mom some beer.
Would that make your mom happy?
It probably wouldn't make my mom happy. She's not a huge beer fan. However, I have, over the last few years, been sort of, providing a few different craft beer styles for my mom to try, and one of those being sour beers was actually one that she sort of gravitated to. That's just my mom. Anyone's mom could obviously be a little different, whether it's a sour beer or pale ale or stout or porter or amber or whatever the case may be. Beer really is for everyone. Get your mom something different this Mother's Day. Perhaps she'll like it.
Yeah, maybe if your mom likes something more like fruity and tart sour beer. Could be for mom this year. Anyways,
like
yeah, stay tuned for next week where we showcase another one of Ontario's wonderful craft beers. Thanks very much for watching, and remember, craft beer
is here.
Happy Mother's Day,
Happy
buddy.
Mother's Day. Cheers.
Cheers.
To all the mamas out there.
Cheers, Mom.